This video is me unboxing my new iPhone 11 that I ordered off the Apple Store. Hey guys, I'm going to voice over this part too real fast. I just wanted to tell you guys that I might not seem so excited in this video, but I was honestly just having panic attacks all day yesterday when I opened it, so that's the reason why. I am in love with this phone. The camera is amazing, and I can't wait to make better videos. Oh yeah, guys, when I first grabbed this from the mail carrier, I dropped it.
But no, there was a box protecting it and plastic, but probably almost cracked. But it probably didn't. I don't think it cracked. Whoa! Yeah, it didn't crack.
Okay, so there's the top of the case.
Oh my God!
I got the red iPhone 11. And this is it. Has the two cameras.
Yep.
The Apple is in the middle instead of up top. I can't show you my phone, the 7 that I'm going from the 7 to the 11 because I'm recording on the 7.
Yeah. There's this thing that comes off like other phones, so you don't ruin it. It's like a mini screen protector. But
so give me a second, guys. I'm gonna first I'll put it right here. This is the case I got over here.
Yeah.
It's a clear case, so I can still see the color. Inside this, there's just the paperwork, Product Red. It tells you what you are supporting when you buy something from Product Red.
Yep. Wait, is there a
An
screen
instruction,
protector?
something for the SIM card.
Does a screen protector come with it?
No. And then the apples.
So you have to order.
People were upset that these weren't color coded with the phones, but I don't really care. It doesn't bother me. I don't even use them, so
Yeah.
they just stay in the box.
The last time we got one, Caleb used them.
And then
The
I have
charger plug?
my
Oh my God! They come with what the? Oh my.
They're headphones, regular headphones.
Yeah, they're wired headphones.
Earbuds, wired earbuds.
It came with. And wait,
And then the charger wire, which I probably won't be using because I just bought some magnetic chargers.
Yeah.
So that's all that's in
Yeah.
the box.
Yeah.
This is the box. The writing is in red, and then the Apple is red, and then it is 128 gigabytes.
Yeah. Abby only has 64 on the same exact phone. He has the same exact case that's clear.
I had to bring it inside to put the screen protector on and everything, but I'll show you guys the case that I did get. I guess it came with 2 front screen protectors.
Yep.
So just...
Oh, there's a tag on it, but
this is the case.
yeah.
Hey AKK fam, this is Kelsey. I am doing a voiceover on this picture real fast just to say that I hope you look forward to the new videos with the better camera.